Hello friends, you are watching the CFA Fast Forward show brought to you by Infinity Concepts. Infinity Concepts is a professional and educational academy and it has come up with this new show CFA Fast Forward. This show is very helpful for all the CFA candidates as I am going to summarize important points and concepts of every subject in just over 30 to 60 minutes. This will not only fast forward your revision but also help you understand important concepts which you would have missed while studying. I am your host for today, Aadit, CA and CFA from Mumbai, India, and I am here to help all the CFA candidates today. What motivates me to come up with this show is that while I was studying, I used to remember things for a longer period of time what I've heard rather than what I have read. Also, reading becomes monotonous after some times. This is why I have come up with this show with small and interesting videos which you can see, listen to and recollect very well during your examinations. So stay tuned while I come up with more and more videos on subject specific fast forwards. You can view all of these videos or revision sessions on my YouTube channel Infinity Concepts from Aadit. Yes, the short form of this is ICFA. We all want CFA designation with our name and therefore the name of this channel is ICFA Infinity Concepts from Aadit. So subscribe to my channel Infinity Concepts from Aadit. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook page to connect with me directly. So good luck guys and see you soon.